YouTube, it's Erin, the handbag housewife, and I am back to do an unboxing today. I have to confess, I've been going a little bit cray-cray, psycho nuts for these bags, and I have 4 more coming after this one. And so, without further ado, I'm gonna open this up real quick. I gotta get on the road in just a few minutes for my glamorous life as a stay-at-home mom. So, I'm cutting it open. I'm going to check it out live with you. Well, I guess it's not live, but it's live for me. So this is the Longchamp extra small, and it's in the color orange is what I've been told, but I got this off eBay and the description on it was that it was coral. And so I probably wouldn't have bought it if it was orange in the description, but I like coral. And so I went ahead and bought it, and by golly, it is coral. So I'm super happy. I'm not seeing anywhere. It was supposed to be new with tags, or not, I don't think new with tags, just new. I'm gonna give it a sniff. It doesn't really smell like leather, but it doesn't smell like anything. And so I'm cool with that. And let's look inside. I don't know if you can see that. These bags have 1 pocket inside on one side and then no other pockets. And it looks like, well, I can't read what that says, but looks like it was $249 when this person bought it. And I got it for a steal. I got it for $225 after shipping. So I am so stoked. I'm so happy. It looks good. It's a beauty. All right, take care, YouTube, and I will see you again tomorrow.